What the hell?
Oh,
Do you know what I love? When I wake up at 6 a.m. to make sure I've washed my hair and
ready for the shoot.
Yeah, I think that's stunning. Ooh, yay. G was like, should we take our brollies? I think the moment's past you.
I think it's a bit late, actually.
I think it's gone. I might just start snapping them off. I'm not finding it fun anymore, G.
How many left to go?
1, 2, 3.
14.
That's only 6. That's an absurd amount of sunflowers. You know what? They don't tell you. They're really painful. Right, get me skipping.
I'm sodden.
You're doing a great job though.
Thanks, so you're such a good carrier of sunflowers.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes! She's a florist. She's a goddamn florist. Look at the colour of that sky. If the sun starts shining, I'm going to kick off. I'm actually full of rage.
Blue skies.
Honestly. What are you doing, Maggie?
Just cleaning my shoes and my feet.
Oh my god.
Hey, Katie. What's that?